When you dial 999 or 112 for the emergency services, what we're going to do now is look at who's actually going to arrive. Now you might think you're dialing for an ambulance and the ambulance is the first thing to come. Well, this might not be the case. There's all sorts of other people who are there to help. Now, if it's a standard call, then it may well be the ambulances first. But if it's a serious category A call for something like a stroke or cardiac arrest or heart attack, then everything is activated for you. So they are activating an ambulance and a paramedic or an ambulance technician to actually come out to see you, but they may be a little bit further away. People that might come earlier, there could be a community responder. Community responder networks are overseen by the NHS. They're different in all regions, so we can't tell you exactly what this person will be able to do because it does vary region to region. But there'll be a qualified person who will turn up with oxygen, with a defibrillator to get there quickly. The idea is this person is local to your community, so they may be able to get there in maybe 3, 4, 5 minutes, whereas an ambulance might take 8, 9, 10 minutes, or if you're in a remote location, even further. So the community responder will turn up and they will help you. There's another group called a Good Sam. There's Good Sam is an app. And with this app, you can register on it. They go through an approval process. So for example, I've done that. I've given them my qualifications, and then you will get alerts if something happens in the area. So if the ambulance service need to activate someone, again, these are only the serious cases, they can ping a message through on the app directly to the user, and the access overrides all other security on their phone, so it just alerts them. They'll get the app, they'll get a message, they can read the message, and if they can attend, they'll send a message back, and then they'll come out to you as well. So it's just another way round to getting extra people to you. Another thing that could happen could be a paramedic in a car turns up. Now, you might need the ambulance, but you don't. This is really, at this stage, we need to treat first, so this could be another person coming to you. Some regions you might get other medical professional people come, and these could be the fire service or the police service if they are available to help out. So if you do dial 999 and it is a serious case, you could get one or more or even all of those people turn up. The key thing here is we need to get someone to you as quickly as possible with the right equipment. Now the final thing we'll sort of look at is a community AD unit. Now, community AD units could be around at your local convenience store, something like that. So if someone is going into cardiac arrest or serious situations like that, and you've got someone else there, it may well be when you dial the 999 and say there is an AD local, I'm going to send someone to get it, and they'll give a code. So go to the community unit, punch the code in, and then they can bring that AD unit back. So it may well be, someone in your home or business could get the AD unit to you quicker, but it's not going to slow down all the other response. The ambulance service will do everything in their power to get to someone to you as quick as possible.